In this video, I have prepared a list of websites that you can earn money from anywhere in the world. The first website is Indiegogo.com, where you may get free money from rich or generous people. It supports a wide range of projects from creative products you may want to launch to innovative technology or technology-rated investments. The next platform is Fundly.com, which requires donations for funerals, memorials, clubs, social and educational societies. Requirements also come into play in this field, where wealthy or kind people are your target candidates. To launch a campaign, sign up an account on their website, provide an honest and comprehensive description of your project or goal, select a fundraiser and donates use. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. Another website that focuses on forgiveness, justgiving.com. It's called Money for Charity. With this platform, it doesn't always have to be money, but it gives people a place to get educational help. Maybe someone will donate food to you or invest in a separate instance of this website. Next platform, Fundable.com. In this platform, ask kind and rich people to help you with your travel through my travel portal to the fund. It will help you to cover all the expenses of your future travel, whether it is for voluntary work abroad or family emergency. It is evident from their website that many people have had success with this. The next platform that is very familiar to us is called Kickstarter.com. This website is a well-known crowdfunding platform created especially for creative projects in a wide range of categories, including music, gaming, film technology, and art design as an application supporters. As a creator or business owner, you can launch a campaign to raise money for any creative projects you have in mind. Backers will do so if they believe your project can offer real rewards or even experiences in return for their commitment. The advantage of Kickstarter is that they have funded more than 200,000 projects that have raised $7 million and proceed $9 million and more than 990,000 plates. So if you're looking for a platform that increase your chances of getting funded, it's the best option. It's called the Kickstarter. You create a project page and fill it with all the information about your idea. Decide how much money you want to raise and create a compelling incentive to attract backers. The next platform is called Crowdfunder. It is a platform that connects business owners with investors around the world to help finance their endeavors, whether investing in an established company or starting a new venture. Allows you to showcase your company and attract potential investors. You will notice that it is relatively easy to get started if you know there are people willing to invest in your businesses, as long as you have a good plan. There are people here on your website looking for grants or funding. The next platform is ulul.com, which is used to start a restaurant or food truck businesses. From technology to food and many other fields, it provides space for entrepreneurial investors and people we call change makers to develop their ideas. Realize is the sub-platform for you to ALU, as it called. They enable you to pitch your idea and seek funding from your existing network of supporters. Another website is circleup.com, where rich or crying people give you money for free by joining you in action. This one focuses on helping consumer brands raise capital to expand their market reach. Go to your page and create an API file to get started. Tell your brand story, describe your growth strategy, and connect with potential investors who can partner with or invest in your company.